CM Panchal, exercise number 59. Yes, in many of these resolutions, the state government were concerned. After the conference, I went round to these 4 or 5 states. They have taken immediately action to set right most of the procedural delays and the various other technical difficulties that they had in the speedy implementation of the minor irrigation works. Speaking about the resolution, of course, a good many resolutions have been passed. There is no doubt about it, but in the resolutions there are many things which are not previously accepted by the state governments as such. For instance, that electricity should be supplied at a lower rate for agricultural purposes and that 10% of the total power production should be given for agricultural purposes. These were not previously accepted by the state government as such. Para, I want to know whether these specific recommendations are now accepted by the state government. Sir, it is too early to say. Some of these recommendations concern the other departments, agriculture and public works department, who are in charge of the minor irrigation works in the state. So it takes some time because they have to consult other departments and those departments have to agree to some of these measures. I want to know exactly what were the decisions accepted by the state government as such. As is said, it is too early to say that. It is only 1.5 months since we had that conference, and in respect of the resolution which directly concern them, they are able to act. In respect of other resolution, it takes time. Has it been brought to the notice of the government that for such an ambitious program the funds allocated are very meager, since for the whole of Andhra it is only rupees 45 lakhs? That over.